Got a mountain of incredible data, but zero clue how to make people actually care about it? PlotSet is here for you. From your dashboard, jump into Video Chart and just drag and drop your dataset. Let's choose our date column and the data we want to display. If there's anything you don't like, just change it here. Let's choose our template. We're going with a race line today. Let's go with dark mode. I love this set of colors. And for the header, let's use Hormuz Sphere Power, the evolution of global oil output. Let's also add our brand logo right here. Nice. I want to keep things simple, so anyone can understand the chart at a glance. Let's move the x-axis to the top, clean up the data formatting, and slightly adjust the line weights to keep everything crisp, clear, and easy to read. Want to make it feel more alive and easier to follow? You can upload custom images for each data point, like country flags or brand logos, so people can instantly see who's leading the race over time without having to focus on every label or number. Okay, I think we made it look really good. Finally, set your video duration, drop in a background track to match the vibe, give your project a name, and hit Create. From there, the engine takes care of all the heavy lifting and turns everything into a polished animation in just seconds. And just like that, your high-quality video is ready to download. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, presentations, or anywhere you want to grab attention fast. Let's see how it turned out.